It's got that rainbow color to it. And you can tell by right back here, it'll say refractor. And it's really important to know those things because it helps your listing.
Hey, Bluegrass, can we go thrift shopping?
Hello, YouTube world. My name is Anthony Long. Welcome back to the Bluegrass Picker channel. You came back. Why? Why? Sure glad you did. What sold on eBay yesterday? 2 games that sold. First one is TNA Impact PS3. I've actually recently heard that PS3 is selling really good, the game consoles. So PS3 games are probably going to go pretty quick. And this one sold for I believe $10.95. Next one was this Nintendo GameCube, and it's FIFA 2007. It doesn't sell for a lot. I had it for $9.95. Someone sent me an offer for $8, and I took it. A lot of the soccer games just don't sell very good. A lot of the sports games, I've said this before, they don't sell very good because the latest edition is the one everybody wants, and so they don't go back and get the old ones unless they're collecting it. But GameCube is a collectible, a very good collectible gaming console. Next thing that sold was this Craftsman slide screwdriver, 4-volt. Still in the box. It's got an LED light on there. It's pretty nice. I had it for like $54. Someone sent me an offer for $40, and I took it because I just want to get some of this heavy bulk stuff out of the way. Charged them $13.95 for shipping because I can just put it in a medium flat rate and send it out for the same price. Last thing that sold was this Juan Soto. I got this in a Nationals break. I have got 4 other Soto cards, but they're not the refractor. And you can see the hologram on it. It's got that rainbow color to it. And you can tell by right back here, it'll say refractor. And it's really important to know those things because it helps your listing. You put refractor in it, it's just going to sell faster. And this went for, I believe, $10, $10.95, and plus shipping on top. And he's a really fantastic player. If you're going to invest in somebody, this would be someone to invest in baseball, because one reason is he started his career younger. I believe he was 19 when he started MLB. Your stats are just going to be bigger because you started earlier. I mean, more likelihood. Most people don't start till they're 21, even when they're drafted at 18. Right now, Bobby Witt Jr. is one of my favorites. He got drafted at 18, but he's still 20 years old, and he hasn't broke through the majors yet, even though he's very deserving. But they want it. The big thing that people think they don't want to bring him up because there's 6 years of service time, but they have control of you once you make the majors. And if they don't start you at the beginning of the year till a certain amount of time, I can't remember how many days it is, then they hold that year of eligibility too. And what teams find is they ended up not signing with them when they do that. It really, the players know what they're doing, and it doesn't set very well. They really did that bad to Chris Bryant. The Cubs did, and I highly doubt Chris Bryant signs with them just for that fact. And so just something to know. And he was signed as a free agent out of the Dominican, I believe. Doesn't say here. Yeah, Dominican Republic. And so they start them in the minors a little bit earlier and get them going. And he was just good, and there was an injury where they needed him to play. And he played so well, they didn't send him down. And the reason why, like a Bobby Witt Jr., he's so good, but they want to keep making sure he has plenty of playing time because we have a shortstop that's pretty good already, even though he's hurt right now. but you don't ever want to send down a great prospect back down to the minors, because then you're starting all over again. So you really want to make sure they're ready. And the difference between college to minor league to minor league to majors is huge. But Bobby Witt Jr. is going straight from the high school to the minor leagues. He skipped college, so it's a little bit longer of a process, to something to understand about baseball. That's why it's easier to collect baseball, because a guy can be a high prospect. Bobby Witt Jr. was number two, and he's going to get lost in the shuffle for a few years. So you can buy up his stuff real cheap, which I did, and then you wait on it and then sell it when he hits the majors, or you can sell it to keep. But these are just a few things I do and like to sell on eBay. And grind on, friends. Southern flavor. Bye from Bluegrass Pickers. Stay tuned.